ladies, Coach Juli here from Bodies by Colotti. Today we're diving into an important topic, how to modify exercises to work around any physical limitations you may be facing. The reality is many of us deal with some type of limitation, whether temporary or long-term, that can make certain exercises challenging or even unsafe. Things like injuries, chronic conditions, mobility issues, pregnancy, they all impact our training at 100%. But here's the good news. With some creative modifications, you can absolutely stay active and get an amazing workout tailored to your unique needs and capabilities. Let me show you how. First and foremost, it's crucial to get clear on exactly what your specific limitations are. This could involve consulting with a doctor, physical therapist, or other medical professionals to understand any restrictions you need to work around. For example, if you have a knee injury, high-impact moves like running or jumping may need to be avoided temporarily to allow for proper healing. Or if you're managing arthritis, low-impact and joint-friendly exercises will likely be prioritized. Once you know your limitations, we can start exploring modification strategies to make your workouts as safe as possible and enjoyable. Here are some of my go-tos. One of the simplest ways to modify is by decreasing the range of motion for an exercise. This reduces overall mobility demands while still allowing you to train a movement pattern. For example, instead of a full-depth bodyweight squat, you may only squat down until your thighs are parallel to the ground. Or for an overhead press, you raise the weights just to shoulder height instead of fully overhead if you have any shoulder limitations. The key to finding your personal range of motion sweet spot that allows you to move through an exercise with perfect form and no compensation. For those dealing with joint issues, injuries, or conditions where high impact is inadvisable, there are plenty of low impact exercise alternatives to explore. Rather than running or jumping, you can opt for low impact cardio like walking, cycling, swimming, elliptical, or rowing machines. These get your heart rate up without the pounding on your joints. For strength training, choose exercises that keep at least 1 foot grounded, like split squats, lunges, or step-ups, rather than jumping movements. You can also modify the impact level of exercises by performing them seated, lying down, or in a pool to further reduce joint stress. Using different pieces of equipment is another fantastic way to make exercises more accessible and accommodating. Things like resistance bands, stability balls, foam rollers, and other props allow you to adjust resistance, stability demands, and body positioning. For example, if your regular push-ups are too challenging on the floor, you can elevate your hands on a bench or wall to decrease the load, or use a resistance band to assist with movements like pull-ups or squats. Seated, standing, or wall variations using just your body weight are also fair game if you need to eliminate any extra resistance altogether. The options are endless for adapting exercises using different tools and creative setups. It's all about finding what works best for you. In addition to modifying the exercises themselves, you can also adjust overall intensity through factors like weights, reps, sets, rests, periods, and workout duration. If an exercise feels too challenging with the prescribed weight, simply decrease the load until you can perform it with perfect form, or reduce the number of reps or sets to start. You can also shorten your work periods and extend your rest times to make the workout less metabolically taxing overall. The key is meeting your body where it's at in that moment. Don't be afraid to scale back the intensity if needed. Something is always better than nothing. Finally, remember that any physical limitation you're working around is likely temporary, even if it lasts for months or years. Your body is incredibly adaptable. With patience and smart gradual progressions, you can slowly increase range of motion, impact levels, resistance, and overall intensity over time as you get stronger and improve mobility. It's all about finding that sweet spot of an appropriate challenge. Not so easy that you're not stimulating change, but not so hard that you risk injury or excessive soreness. Be proud of yourself for showing up and putting in the work. No matter how light the workout may feel, you're still moving your body and building strength, both physical and mental. The most important thing is maintaining an active lifestyle through any limitations or setbacks life throws your way. Don't let the perfect be the enemy of the possible. So those are my top tips for modifying exercises to work around physical limitations. The key points to remember are: get clear on your specific limitations first, explore range of motion adjustments, opt for low impact alternatives as needed, use different equipment to adapt exercises, regulate overall intensity through weights, reps, etc., progress patiently and gradually over time. No matter what you're dealing with, there are always ways to make your workouts more accessible through smart modifications. The goal is finding what feels challenging yet doable for your current abilities. If you need help creating a customized program with appropriate exercise modifications, that's what I'm here for. Don't hesitate to reach out so we can build a routine optimized for your needs. You can also leave any other questions you have in the comments below. I'm always happy to provide more tips for staying active through limitations or setbacks. The bottom line is, don't let perceived limitations hold you back from all the incredible health and mindset benefits of regular exercise. With some creativity, patience, and my expert guidance, you can absolutely find a way to move your body in a way that feels amazing. So stay positive, keep an open mind, and get ready to experience the power of modified training tailored just for you. You've got this, ladies. Let's make it happen. As always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more fitness tips and workouts ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.